Going for the fish today, meal number 2 from Miss Fresh. And this is the stuff we got. Here we go, 15 minutes later. Here are the plates. Can't wait to taste it. It smells good, it looks good. Not too sure about this stuff, but we're gonna give it a shot anyway. Caramelized teriyaki trout. Excellent. It was a good meal. The portion was big, but I would have ate more. Why? Because fish is very light, and it came with a lot of greens in it, but it was very good. Now, we forgot to film, I forgot to film, opening up the box. We like to compare the boxes and how they're made from one box to the other when you check out the box. I noticed when I opened up the box that it was weird. Usually you open up the box, you get 3 bags. In each bag you have each ingredient for each recipe. So you take out a bag and everything's in it, minus the meat, because the meat is located under the divider inside the box. Miss Fresh just throws everything in the box. It's like, here's the recipe, find the ingredients. But if you get lettuce in one recipe and you also get it in the other one and you don't think about keeping some aside, you're gonna go through all your lettuce on one meal. So it's sort of weird. They should divide it up per bag, each ingredient in quantity per bag. The other minus was their caramelized portion of it. The sauce separated in the pan. The oil was going one way and the other ingredients were going the other way. So there wasn't enough sauce. It was good. It brought taste to the fish, but it's sort of separated in the pan. So maybe the cook fucked it up. So, yeah, it was very good for meal number 2. Meal number 1 was a fail. I thought it was okay. I don't eat Indian food with curry, but it was okay. It wasn't too strong for spices. My wife didn't like it at all. So guess who's having the leftovers? And the caramelized trout, we would have had more because it was very good. So supper, we're gonna not skip the dishes. We're gonna skip the meal because we're going to the Heritage Fest in Edmonton. It's a festival with a lot of food, and you pig out, and we're gonna have supper over there. So meal number 3 will be in the future. So Magic Fill 76, sometimes the little eye located around over here, right about over here. Sometimes the eye is there, sometimes not there. I'm gonna plug it in anyway. Check out Magic Fill 76. He is amazing.